If you want to generate packing slips in WooCommerce automatically and print them with your orders, this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. We'll create, customize, and download packing slips with the help of a plugin. Let's get started. The plugin I am using today is WowInvoice. It's a complete solution for PDF invoices and packing slips for WooCommerce. After setting up, you have to navigate to the plugin dashboard and choose the packing slip configuration. Here, you will see a packing slip demo preview. You can change the preview to the last order or any specific order from here too. The first order of business is to configure the packing slip, but before that, you should check the store information. On the right side panel, you can access the store information. This is a global setting, meaning changing this information will be applied to all other documents in WowInvoice. Here, you can see and customize store identity, including shop name, company tax label and ID, phone number, email address, and upload logo. Additionally, you can also change the store addresses and other information, like a footer note, from here. As WowInvoice fetches this information from your sites and WooCommerce settings, you don't need to change anything here. However, you need to include the company tax label, ID, and phone number manually. Let's get back to the configuration. Here, you can change the layout size of this document. You can choose from 3 types of layout. For packing slips, I will keep the size A4. Then comes the font size multiplier. It scales all the font sizes in this document proportionately by this slider. For now, I will keep it 1.1 to ensure easy scanning. Next, you have to set when this packing slip will automatically generate and attach to an email as a PDF. You can automatically generate packing slips in WooCommerce based on specific order statuses. For example, when an order changes to processing or completed, the packing slip can be created automatically without any manual action. Each time the order status updates, WowInvoice generates a refreshed version of the packing slip with the latest order information. Similarly, you can automatically attach this packing slip for different mail sent by WooCommerce to the customers and the store admin. For the packing list, you can also send a notification email with this document attached as a PDF to your in-house order processing staff or warehouse order fulfillment department by checking this box here. Once you check the box, you can choose when the PDF packing slip will be attached to the notification mail, along with notification mail recipients. You can further edit the notification mail template by clicking this button. Here, like any other mail template for WooCommerce, you have to set the subject, email heading, etc. Finally, you can choose when customers can download this packing slip from their My Account dashboard. I will choose specific order statuses. If you select this option from the dropdown, you can edit the download button label and choose the statuses for which customers can download a packing slip. The configuration is done. Now, let's customize the packing slip layout and fields. Don't forget to save your configuration before proceeding. You can customize lots of elements for header and logo, date and number, billing and shipping address, etc. Let's go step by step. In the header and logo, you can change the header text here and choose your store logo for packing slips. If you choose to show the logo, you can change its size too. In the date and number section, you can choose to show order date and number and customize their label too. Additionally, you can show different metadata for the order. To do that, add a field name and select the meta key for the data you want to show. For example, I want to show the invoice number of the orders, so I named the field and chose the meta key for invoice number. For the billing and shipping address section, you can choose to show or hide the billing and shipping address, emails, phone number, and the label for each address. You can also customize the label of common fields in the billing and shipping address. In the product table section, you can choose to show additional columns in the table and customize the column labels. Moreover, you can show the ordered product in different sorting methods and product metadata. Product metadata also works the same way it did for orders. Set the field name and find the meta key for your data. From the other settings, you can choose to show the barcode and order note. You can also customize the order note label from here. After configuring and customizing the packing slip in your preferred way, you have to turn on the publish status and save the settings. And that's how you can automatically generate and customize packing slips in WooCommerce. If you want to automate invoices, packing slips, and other order documents from one place, you can configure the rest of the documents the same way inside WowInvoice.